Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been gone for some time. I've had creative block, which is pretty much normal, and I didn't want to post anything, and I just wasn't feeling too motivated. So in this video I got two new products. Well, they're not really new, they're pretty much old, but they're new to me. I'm really stern, I stick to what I know. Anyways, I'm gonna get straight to the video. I'm gonna shut up. So here we go. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna be using my rose water as a toner. So for primer, I'm going to be using the BACKKKK Poreless Prime and Perfector. I think that should be enough. So now I am going to color correct. And to color correct, I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the orange corrector under my around my mouth, basically my whole face, almost damn near my whole face. I got most of it. Now I'm just gonna blend all that out with my Sigma Precision Flat Angle Brush. This is P88. I really corrected my whole face. Whatever. So I went to Sephora today. I shouldn't have went to Sephora, but I heard about the Estee Lauder. The Double Wear foundation is really good. I bought the Double Wear makeup, and this is in the color 6C1, which is Rich Cocoa. Now I don't know if this is my actual shade, but I did compare it to my Fenty Beauty foundation, which is in 420, and the color was pretty much similar. I asked the lady if it oxidizes. She told me no. Now I believe all makeup oxidizes, but whatever, we're gonna see how it looks. And I did put orange, so much orange, so you know, I do my own thing. Whatever. Alright, let's see. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using today. So this is it. If I'm your shade, if we're like similar shades, I really hope this helps. I'm like 420 and Fenty. I'm like 420, sometimes I mix 430 if I want a little darker. And then I'm Mocha in Huda Beauty. So, and I'm in C50 in MAC, if that helps. So yeah, let's see. So it doesn't have like a pump or anything. Now I am concerned. I always make a mess with stuff like this. Okay. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Okay. All right. Here goes nothing. I think it's my shade. Let me know what you guys think. So for concealer, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. I'm just gonna blend that out with my Real Techniques setting brush. Now before I do my eyeshadow look, I'm just going to set that in place, and I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using MAC NC45. So now I'm just going to blend that out using my Morphe E27 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to set that in place using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Here we go. As my transition shade, or the first shade I'm going to use, it's going to be, what is this, Eden? I think that's the name of it. I'm going to use that. It's a really pretty color. So next I'm going to place Saturn, this orange looking color right here. So I'm going to place it on top of Eden, but more so in my crease. So to blend everything out, I'm going to be using my Morphe M330 brush. Next I'm going to be using the shade Parallel. And I'm going to place that along the outer part of my eye and then push it into my crease. So I'm going to basically pat the shadow onto my outer and then kind of brush it into the crease. Now using my mini detailer brush, I'm just gonna outline my lid, and I'm using my MAC NC 45 concealer again. So I'm gonna be using the Throne color right here, using my Morphe M156 brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the small side of the brush and I'm going to kind of outline another lid, kind of double lid this. I have been using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I've been using the black shade as my liner. So what I'm going to do is take that and my Morphe M409, which is an angle brush, and I'm going to do a wing line. Now I'm not going to do it all the way across, I'm kind of going to stop it right here. This palette has a black shade, it's called Sidon. I'm going to take the brush that came in the palette and I'm just going to place that right here and kind of fade the eyeliner. I'm finally going to wipe away my powder. I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is in medium deep. Okay, so now I'm going to do my bottom waterline. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, a black color. So I'm going to take my Morphe M422 flat blush brush and blend that out. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M431 brush, which is a pencil brush, and I'm going to use the same exact shades that I used up here on my bottom waterline. So I think I'm going to take Eden, the brown shade. I'm going to take the shade Saturn, which is the orange shade, place that directly on top of the brown shade. I'm going to place this color Sapphire in my inner tear duct. So the neon yellow shade right here, I'm going to place in my inner tear duct. Okay, so for contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. And I'm going to blend that all out using my MAC stippling brush in 130. Okay, so now that all of that is done, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is Ebony. So for blush, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. And I'm going to take these two shades and blush these cheeks out. So for highlight, I'm also going to be using the highlighter in this palette. And this one is Zara. I think this is honestly like one of my favorite highlighters. It's such like the perfect gold shade. I think this is my finished look. Hope you guys like it. I really like the foundation. I'm not as oily as I would be. Mind you, I have a ring light, my vanity light's on, and I'm wearing this thick ass sweater, and I'm still not oily, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna do an update to this video and let you guys know how it wears for the whole day. This has only been like, what, 2 hours maybe, if even that. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Not all of this, but I'm definitely gonna wear this makeup tomorrow, this foundation tomorrow, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys know how it wears and if I really like it, if it oxidizes. I'm also not gonna put as much orange corrector. I don't know why I put that much orange corrector, but it wouldn't be me if I didn't mess up in a video. Like, whatever, life happens. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, but in the meantime, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll get back to you guys tomorrow.